got back to the hotel, changed for Aubrey so she's not freezing to death.
Still freezing to death.
Got some jeans on her. Now we're gonna go explore kind of the Gion area, see if we can see the big pagoda. And
get food. Don't forget that.
Gotta eat, yeah.
I haven't eaten anything today except 2 almond joys.
I think you had 3 almond joys.
No, I didn't. I had
2. There's 0 trash cans. Just holding them all day. We definitely found all the people.
Yeah.
It's like packed over here.
So big. And we still have no trash can. And there's not very many restaurants. It's more like street. So we're trying to find a sit down.
Dans cái suivi comme on fait.
Yeah, we asked if she could throw a trash away and she said no.
I have been holding these for literally an hour. And now I found Holy Grail trash cans. Finally.
Feels good. Feels good to have free hands. It looks cute. They take really good care of like making it all clean and nice. They keep like wiping them all up and making them nice. But,
Really?
I don't know. It's matcha. I don't know what that. I don't really know what it's in it other than that.
Take a bite. Is it good?
It is good. I don't know what it is. What do you think? Terrible?
It's okay.
You don't like it?
It's fine.
We got a premium beef katsu place. It looks good. It's like a cool little place at the bar.
Yeah, sure. From one side, so station and green mark, wasabi, and then Japanese pepper, what we call salt. And they cut the sauce and cover it in first and green egg. Japanese rice, the first, the melted, as a result, the melted that period. Okay. So, in total,
Did you get all that?
No.
Basically, he's saying he just walked us through everything that's here, and there's like a million ways to eat it.
Miso soup, eggs.
Salt, soy sauce.
Yeah, and then we can cook it here.
Yeah.
Also, it
please
took
keep in mind, not transferable. One by one.
Okay.
One plate, one
Okay.
sauce or something like that.
Okay. Okay. It literally took 2 minutes to get our food.
Is it good?
Favors,
Oh.
do me a favor. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Please don't call me floppy.
Why not?
Floppy.
Droppy? He tricked me.
Or Tom Hanks.
Tom Hanks?
Yes. Sweet.
Thank you.
Okay?
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
I just want to take credit for making us go to that restaurant because I insisted that we would go to that restaurant even though it was pretty far away.
We've been leaving for restaurants for like 3 hours, and Aubrey's like, I really want to just go to Katsu.
Go to like Katsu place. Worth it.
It was absolutely worth it. If you're walking down on your in Kyoto, that's the place to go.
So good. We got some stickers. Life's good.
Fantastic Katsu.
What is it actually?
I have zero idea. It's cheesy something. Cheesy. I think there's crab in there.
Take a bite. You love it?
What's so funny? You would hate this. I think it's like just long takoyaki.
Ew! Pancake batter!
But it's crab instead of octopus.
Seafood in it.
It is pancake
Yeah,
batter with seafood.
I'm not into that.
After a quick break, we're back at it again with the white vans. What are those? Just a little internet joke for you.
I don't know that joke.
You don't know the white vans joke? What about Damn Daniel? Do you know that?
Nope.
Okay. So this temple and this gate that we just walked through is Nanzenji. It's just like a few minutes walk from Philosopher's Path, which is where we're going. Pretty cool. They're all really big. These are like some of the biggest ones we've seen. I don't know. There's supposed to be a bunch of stuff in this whole area.
Guess we'll find out. I don't know what is here at all.
Aubrey's just along for the ride.
I'm just cold.
This is gorgeous. It's like the end of Philosopher's Path, which was fine. I think Philosopher's Path is definitely better in the spring with the cherry blossoms. I think now they're kind of blossomless and leafless. But very fun nature walk.
It's like surprisingly cool. I did not know what this was, but the grounds are like amazing. Oh, tree.
This tree I like bang my head into.
Anyway.
You find it?
Hello.
Hi.
You have reservation from 5:30?
Yes.
And what is your reservation number?
Oh, let me look it up. So sorry.
You excited for your tour?
Yeah, I'm excited. First is the walking tour, then is the Geisha Maiko show.
Okay, we just saw a real geisha.
On the street, right by their house. That was so cool.
Please have a seat. Please squeeze. So, she's Kano Shizu-san from Gion Higashi. She said, welcome and thank you for coming in Kyoto dialect. Okay, so can everyone guess if she's Maiko-san or Geiko-san?
My God.
Everyone Maiko-san? Perfect! She's Maiko-san. You might already know, but every season, the hair ornaments will change every month. And this month, it is the maple tree. Because maple tree changed to red or yellow in the season, it represents this autumn. You can start. You can do it.
Good job.
We just got done with our Geisha show and tour, and that was like so cool. And we got a Maiko who was like a Geisha in training. And
She's
she
brand new.
Really has been like a Maiko for 1 month. She was so cute. She literally has braces.
She's like 15.
Yeah, she's like 15 years old, and we learned so much stuff.
I just couldn't believe how like special the whole thing feels. Like,
Yeah, like there's
like you feel like they're very special, but also you're very special to get to sit with them and talk to them. It's like so weird.
Like elite thing. Like they seem like kind of like
It's exclusive.
celebrities, but,
It's yeah.
yeah, like
And I can't believe we saw one on the street.
we saw 2 on the street.
Yeah.
I am like so happy right now. I'm like, it was great.
It was a great night.
Got your bib.
Very cool, Kanye. Got my bib.
That's good.
They're worried I'm gonna spill.
They are worried. Like, what is this? They made us wear these.
How's your soup? Potatoey? It's good.
It's like shouldn't be this good. I can't wait to get my apple juice.
We ordered children's drinks because they don't sell like Diet Coke or anything.
So we're getting apple. That's like weird.
Look at Aubrey, so cozy in my coat. It's like 10 degrees out here. I'm freezing in short sleeves. I could, you're right.
Okay.
Kinkakuji.
Where are we now?
We're on the grounds of Kinkakuji. We grabbed a taxi to come out here, and it's supposed to be cool.
Yeah. Okay, kind of busy. Can't tell. Not sure how we're gonna get a picture.
I don't know if we are, but we got some video.
Yeah, it's so pretty though. Like, I'm glad we came. But yeah, lots of people. Okay, so there's not really an area that's not busy. As Tyler runs into a group of people. There's a lot of school, like, field trips here. So it's cool though. It's really cool.
Is it worth the wait?
I hope. I don't know yet.
Menu looks good. This is like the first restaurant that even had soda, let alone Coke Zero.
So happy.
They, you know, when you've been around since 1463 or whatever it is, they know how to have a good restaurant. I just love the presentation. She's always just like lays it out, unveils the like food. She's like, very hot udon for you. Is it gonna be good?
I think so.
Great. Thank you.
So this meal came with a list of instructions.
Well, it's basically talking about like the history of soba too, like the family that runs this restaurant. The 14 generations ago, they invented soba. And so you're supposed to like put all this stuff in there and then pour the sauce on it. It's just kind of crazy.
That's
It's
cool.
been here for 600 years.
Yeah.
What is this?
Still alive.
Jeez.
What'd you think?
I think it was worth it. I think we only waited like 30 minutes even though the line was crazy long. And it's like kind of cool to go to something that's like way older than...
Oldest restaurant in Kyoto.
Yeah, it's the oldest restaurant in Kyoto. Like I feel like there's like monuments that you go to in like Mexico where it's like, oh, this is Chichen Itza. It's been here for 8 years. You know, it's-
8 years.
It's kind of cute. Except is it even ice cream?
So I think there's ice cream underneath the flowers. I don't think are ice cream, but
It's just super sad to leave Kyoto because this has been such a fun... I've been looking forward for this forever, but like
We've done
we saw everything.
so much. We could not have done more in a day than we have been doing. So I'm proud of us.
Yeah, I think we did good.
Yeah.
But it is sad to leave. So
It is so sad. We'll be back maybe. Hopefully. Yes, we will.
in like 100 years.
Yeah.